Hello everyone, welcome to St. Peter's School. Children, open your term book, page number 168, lesson number 13, important days of India. So children, name some important dates celebrated in India. So children, see this picture and dates and write the dates or names. 26 January. We celebrate 26 January Republic Day. Why we celebrate 26 January Republic Day? The date on which the Constitution of India comes into the force in 26 January 1950. Understood children? Come to the next one, second one. 13th January. We celebrate 13th January Martyrs Day. The Eradication Day, 13th January, the date was chosen as a mark of Mahatma Gandhi in 1948. So children, second, write down martyrs, MARTYRS, martyrs. Done. Come to the next one, 28th February. Every year, 28th February, we are celebrate National Science Day. So children, write down here National Science Day. Done. Come to the next row. 14th April. What we celebrate 14th April? We celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti or Bhim Jayanti. Annual festival observed on 14th April. Commemorate the memory of B.R. Ambedkar. We celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti this day. So children, write down fourth one, Ambedkar Jayanti. Done. Come to the next one, 15th August. Why we celebrate 15th August? Nation independence from the British rule on 15th August in 1947. 15th August we celebrate Independence Day. So children, here write down Independence Day. Done. Come to the next one. 6th number, 5th September. 5th September we are celebrate birthday of great teacher Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Was the known diplomat, scholar and president of India. So 5th September we are celebrate Teachers Day. So children, write down here Teachers Day. Every year 5th September we celebrate as Teachers Day. Done. Come to the next row, 7 number, 2nd October. What we celebrate 2nd October? Gandhi Jayanti. Yes. So children, 2nd October we are celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Done. Come to the next one, 8th October. What we celebrate 8th October? After India achieved independence from the United Kingdom in 1947, the Royal Indian Air Force served the dominance of India, with the prefix being dropped when India became a republic in 1950. 8th October we are celebrate Indian Air Force of Vayu Sena Day. Done students? Come to the next one. 14th November we are celebrate as a tribute. Children's Day is celebrated on the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. So children, 14th November we are celebrate as a Children's Day. So children, here write down Children's Day. Every year 14th November we are celebrate Children's Day. Done. Can I repeat it again children? First, 26th January we are celebrate as a Republic Day. 13th January we are celebrate Martyrs Day. And 28th February National Science Day. And 14th November Ambedkar Jayanti. And 15th August Independence Day. 5th September we are celebrate Teachers Day. 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti, and 8th October Indian Air Force or Vayu Sena Day, and 14th November Children's Day. Then students, I hope all are completed this. Thank you.